your left side. The badge always goes on your left side. All right. How's that? You see what it said? It's official. It says SF, which is Spring Ford Police, and it's got your name on it.
Whoa!
We took Nicholas for a police officer ride-along. Nicholas won this experience through the Limerick Home and School raffle, basket raffle. Here is what we call a public address. So if we push this button on the side and talk into it, they can hear us outside.
Hi!
All right, so we're gonna do it for a drive, and then when we come back here, I'll let you say hi to Mom on that as we come back, okay? You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Mr.
My favorite part was seeing Nicholas's eyes light up when we hit the siren or gave the car a little gas. Should we hit the siren?
Yeah.
Take it and move it to the next one.
What?
Just turn it that way. There you go. Go one more, it's a crazy siren. Is that crazy?
Yeah.
I just love seeing the interaction with the kids, being able to provide a positive role model for them and giving them a positive contact with law enforcement. And that hopefully carries on with them as they grow through their school career.
We did the siren. We talked out the police car.